Hello my YouTube friend, this is Non Mechanic, and today I'm working on a 2004 Toyota Camry, and what I'm changing is the engine motor mount. This one is broken and it's very easy to do. It's a 15 millimeter. What you want to do is, oh, that was loose, pretty loose. A 15 millimeter here and a 15 millimeter here. It shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes. The cause is broken. The customer was complaining that the car was jumping, and I noted that the motor mount is broken. So I'm just changing it. It should take you about 5 minutes to do. Just remember when you take them out, which one belongs where. Oh, they're both the same size. No, actually this one is shorter. So the shorter one goes here, and the longer one goes here. And that's how it comes out. And as you can see, it's broken right here. See it? So that's what was causing the vibration and the jumping and the noise that she was having. You see how broken it is? So very easy to do. Okay, now I'm gonna put the new one. Make sure that the weight, this weight right here, is facing towards you, and it's just easy to put in. Goes right in there. Now don't forget, the smaller bowl goes in the top. Make sure it's nice and in there. And then the longer one goes in here. Make sure it goes through all the holes. One here and the one over here. Okay? Make sure it goes in. Put it finger tight first. Finger tight first. Forget they are 15 millimeter bolts. Put them in there. Maybe if you use a deeper socket, it'll be better. But like it's getting dark on me, that's why I chose this one. Sometimes you may need a breaker bar, but in this situation, I didn't need one. So you want it tight enough, not too tight that you're gonna break the bowl. And that's how easy it is. I didn't even think it took me no more than 5 minutes. So, in case you want the part number is right here. I got this from AutoZone. That's the part number 91448, and they call it a torque strut. This is the engine motor mount, and that's how you replace it. This is how you replace a 2004 Toyota Camry engine motor mount. Remember, 15 millimeter and a 15 millimeter. And inspect it. And it gets broken like this, you can do it yourself. Alright, and you probably can save yourself maybe $80 by doing it yourself, because I think they charge about $80 an hour just to do a job like this. Once again, this is Non Mechanic, and thank you for watching. And also, I want to thank my subscribers. I need one more subscriber for 100, and when I reach 100, I'm allowed by YouTube to do a live stream from my phone. So me and my daughter, hopefully, when we get one more subscriber, we're gonna do a live stream through our phone. Thank you for watching. Once again, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for supporting me and my daughter. Thank you.